In this tutorial, I'll show you how to animate multiple line graphs in After Effects in just minutes, pulling data from Google Sheets, Excel, CSV files, or even an API. And when I say multiple, I actually mean hundreds or even thousands of animated graphs with different data sets. We'll start by creating a line graph, but if you're interested in pie charts or bar graphs, drop a comment, I might cover those next. Our goal is to make our graph fully dynamic, so no matter how many data points you add or in what range, it always adjusts and displays them accurately. First, we need to define the maximum number of data points we want to display. Let's go with 12. Create 12 text layers, each representing a value for a data point. And one more text layer called number of points, so we can easily adjust how many data points we want to display. Now let's generate a graph line using this expression. This expression basically reads numbers from our text layers and turns them into a line, while spacing data points evenly and making sure they stay within the composition. And to save you from demolishing your keyboard trying to rewrite it, just copy the expression from the link in the description. Our first variable, numPoints, pulls the numeric values from our text layer. The second variable, padding, defines how much space the graph should take. We can connect it to a slider control for easy adjustments. Now let's add X and Y axis and animate the line using trim paths. Okay, my creative brain won't let me stop here, so let's level up this graph. Add a color controller for changing the graph color, add a headline for clarity, and throw in some glows and gradients to make it look sleek. Now, when it comes to the graph setup, I won't go further than this, just to keep this tutorial from turning into an Inception level mess. But if you want to see how to add dynamic X and Y axis values, along with the current value counter, grab the project file from the link below, and don't hesitate to leave a comment if anything needs clarification. Now comes the fun part, creating multiple variations of this graph. And for that we're using Plainly. First, upload the project file using the Plainly Videos plugin in After Effects. To make things easier, I've added a prefix edit to all dynamic layers. This isn't mandatory, but it speeds up the process, and in a second we'll see why. Once the template is in the Plainly web app, we go to Auto Generate, enter the prefix, and let Plainly automatically parameterize all dynamic layers. That's exactly why we added the prefix, it saves time. But if you skip this step, you can still manually parameterize the layers. Now let's generate multiple versions of our graph. We head over to Render, Batch Render, and upload a CSV file containing different data sets. If you're unsure about the formatting, don't worry, Plainly generates a CSV template for you. For this example, I asked ChatGPT to create a dataset showing the revenue graph of some of the biggest companies over the years. We've got data for 50 graphs. All we need to do is download it as a CSV, upload it to Plainly, hit render, and in just a few minutes, all 50 animated graphs are done. We can simply download the whole batch and distribute them wherever we need. Let's take this a step further. If you don't want to manually upload CSV, simply connect Google Sheets or Excel using Plainly native integrations. This way, every time a new row is added, Plainly will automatically render video, no extra steps needed. And if downloading videos manually sounds like a hassle, Plainly's built-in integrations take care of that too. You can send rendered videos straight to Google Drive, Dropbox, YouTube, Vimeo, or any platform you prefer. And for full automation, Plainly's API lets you build custom workflows, handling everything from data input to rendering and video distribution, all without lifting a finger. And that's how you animate multiple line graphs in After Effects using automation. Go check out Plainly if you want to try this for yourself. There's a 14-day free trial so you can test it out. And if you like this video, subscribe for more After Effects and video automation tips. See you in 2 weeks.